Let me give her a new style, a new hairdo, a new cut, a new color.
Dip me underway. Kiss my mouth for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mielleorganics if you're new here. And before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And also, if you're new here, mom life or no life, y'all. So you're gonna hear some distractions, but just stay with me. So today we're gonna do, as you can see by the tab, we're gonna just do like wash day, and we're gonna do like a blowout silk press, if you will. You cook?
Yeah.
Okay, go cook. Blowout slash silk press, because we're doing it ourselves, so it's probably gonna give blow dried. It's meant to give silk press, so we'll see. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get into it, y'all. Okay, you guys, so first things first, we need to wash my hair. So as you can see, it is wet because I did do the first wash process. So let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Olaplex number 3, y'all. If you have like curls and you like dye your hair blonde, or honestly if you just bleach your hair or whatever, Olaplex will bring you back to life. I'm terrible with taking care of my hair. I've bleached my hair like 3 or 4 times. It never messes my hair up because I do use Olaplex. Now this is my first time using number 3. I used to use a different number, but I cannot think of which number it was. And then I was looking for it and I couldn't find it and ended up getting number 3. Anyway, so I guess we've been using the number 3 wrong, or at least I've been using it wrong. So let's talk about that. So I thought it was like a pre-poo. So you just, the directions, let's go and get into it. It says apply on damp, towel dried hair, right? It don't say nothing about cleaning it. And it says you're supposed to do it before you wash, because then it says rinse from hair, and for best results, shampoo with Olaplex number 4 and condition with Olaplex number 5. So I thought you put this, like you wet your hair, put it on dirty hair, comb it out, let it sit for 10 minutes. And if you want, you can let this in your hair overnight. If you're like me and be taking days to do like your wash routine, you can keep this in your hair overnight. It won't kill you. Anyway, so then I saw someone on TikTok say we've been doing it wrong. And like, why would you put it in dirty hair? That don't make sense. So apparently you should like wash your hair first with like a clarifying shampoo. Okay, y'all. So anyways, so apparently you're supposed to like wash your hair with clarified shampoo first. First off, I don't even know what clarified shampoo is. Shampoo is shampoo, honey. So anyway, and then you're supposed to use this. And then you're supposed to follow up with Olaplex 3 and 4, or 4 and 5, like shampoo and conditioner. But like the clarifying shampoo, you can use any clarifying shampoo. I don't have clarifying shampoo. Anyways, so this is my second time doing it the correct way. I don't have clarifying shampoo, so I use my regular shampoo. I don't know if there's no difference to me, but I mean, that just could be me, but it's giving the same results if you ask me. So anyways, the first thing I do now, since this ain't supposed to be first, is I wash my hair with Garnier Whole Blends. This is the Honey Treasures Repairing Shampoo. Apparently this shampoo gets a lot of backlash, like the whole Garnier Whole Blends lines apparently like be messing people's hair up. It does not done that for me. I've been using it for like 2 or 3 years. Honestly, I also don't really care what I use. Like I used to use Tresemme. Sometimes if it's on sale, I'm probably gonna get it. I've used mielleorganics shampoo. I think that might be clarifying shampoo. Anywho, so I use this one. I do like the avocado one a lot. Like I think I prefer the avocado one, but every time I go to the store, it's always gone. So this is like my second choice. But I just like the Whole Blends brand. And I want to say they even have one without parabens. Oh, this is paraben free. Well, they have another one that's free or something else, but I digress. So first I wash with that. Now we're gonna apply Olaplex number 3 on damp hair. They don't want it to be, or towel dry damp hair or some crap like that. It really shouldn't be that wet. Like I towel dried it. That's what, as you saw. So they don't want it to be too wet. Now this is how much I'm using. You're not supposed to use a lot, and as you can see, this little bottle is like $40. So it's like 30, 20. I don't know. It's too much for this little bottle. So you only need to use a little bit. And I really only focus it on the blonde because that's like the main part I'm like worried about. So I first rub it through the blonde really good, and then I just rake it through everywhere else, and then we're gonna brush our hair. I already combed my hair out before this because I didn't want y'all to see the tangles. So this is a dirty brush. But another thing, here's a tip. So you know how usually when you use these brushes, you want to brush like this. So apparently we've been doing that wrong too, y'all. And you're supposed to brush it down with the bristles. I will say this makes a difference. Like if your hair is really tangled, like before my hair was really tangled, and if I went like this, it would hurt. But me going like this, it don't hurt. And I know y'all are like, girl, you're not supposed to start your roots. I've already combed my hair out. That's why I went from here. It's already detangled. But I know you're supposed to start from here and work your way up. You know? I know a little something, something. So, I'm just kind of like raking it through a little bit. I see. And then you just let it sit for like 10 minutes at the least. I let this sit in my hair all day. Like I said, you can't let it sit in your hair overnight, because if you're lazy like me, that's what usually happens. So anyways, after this, I wash my hair twice with the whole blends. I follow up with a quick condition. I don't really do too, I just literally put the conditioner in my hair and rinse it out. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Like, I don't let it sit. I don't be combing my hair or none of that. I kind of try to separate tangles if any tangles came from when I washed it. So yeah, it's the same Honey Treasures conditioner for whole blends. I let it sit in there real quick. The reason why I don't let it stay in there that long is because then I deep condition with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. This stuff, this shit right here, this is the stuff. This is, if y'all been watching any of my hair tutorials, you know I always swear by any of her products, but this is bomb. And the Rosemary Mint Hair Oil is apparently really bomb too. I have not tried that yet because I still have my mint almond oil, so I'm trying to use that up. So yeah, this is the last step, and you leave this on for I think at minimum 20 minutes, 15, at minimum 15 minutes. I have slept in this. I usually leave this in overnight, but I'm trying to blow dry my hair and like get the whole process started. So yeah, I'm only gonna leave it in for the minimum amount of time. See the curls popping, honey. This is my natural curl. So just make sure there's no more product in your hair, you know. So before we blow dry, let's go through what we put in our hair. I don't remember which ones I do first. Okay. So first, I was only using the Mizani Thermostream and the Kenra Silkening Gloss to blow dry. But the one time I did that, it could have just been a lot of different factors, but this wasn't enough, or maybe I didn't use enough. So then I got the Whole Blends leave-in Miracle Frizz Tamer, and I add that. So I put all three of these things in my hair before I blow dry, and it's been helping. I don't know. It could be other factors, like I said, but it works. So I put a little bit of like everything. Okay, you guys, but yeah, look at the roots. Like, the roots are pretty straight. I mean, this is just straight. It's curled like this because of the blow dryer, of course, but also, I mean, y'all saw how it was. I literally had it twisted like this in my buns. Anyways, so really you could just leave it like this. Like, honestly, I've done it before. I've just left it like this, like a blowout. Here, you're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, you could just leave it like this Honestly, like, you don't have to add a flat iron to it, but that flat iron gonna still deal for me, honey. Especially in these roots. Like, I think that's where I'm gonna target. Although I did get my, this is like the best I ever did. The Lord must knew y'all ain't believing me with the mother hair tutorials. But this one, yeah. So the roots are actually really good. Like, it's giving one pass when I flat iron this, but a couple reasons why I'm not flat ironing this tonight is because, first off, I'm lazy. And also, I actually saw a TikTok and someone said to like achieve like a really bomb like blowout or whatever flat iron, you should, after you blow out dry your hair, you should let it completely cool down. It's something about heat expands, something scientific. Anyways, you should let it cool down before you flat iron it. So I did that Thanksgiving. Like, if y'all see my Thanksgiving vlog, and if not, y'all might as well just go ahead and catch up on your girl and watch it. So if you see my Thanksgiving vlog, you'll see how like really straight my hair was. I did that same method, and that was the first time I did that method, and that was the best flat iron I've ever done in my own hair. So now that's like my thing. I just blow dried that one day, like the day before, and then I flat iron it the next day once it's completely cooled. We are ready to end this hairstyle with how to wrap your hair. And I know y'all see these like bumped pieces. It's because I had a hair clip in my hair while I was taking care of some business. So anyways, supplies you need to wrap your hair is whatever you use, brush, comb, whatever, and long bobby pins. You need these if you have long hair. I mean, honestly, I think these would be beneficial whatever length hair you have, but definitely long hair. And the secret weapon is this net thing. So if you've ever been to the Dominican salon, at least the one I have been to, after they, like when they put the rollers in your hair and put you under the dryer, they put this on your head to like keep the rollers, I guess, in place. But low key, this is the secret weapon for wrapping your hair, because you know how you wrap your hair and then you put bobby pins in it, put your scarf on, and then you have like bumps in your hair. So after you wrap it and put the bobby pins in and put this on, you take the bobby pins out, but it's gonna still stay wrapped. So yeah, that's my trick. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know this or do this. But I did not get hip until I was like 17, 18. Yeah, so let's do it. So I think my weapon of choice is gonna be the paddle brush. Yes, it's dirty, whatever. Anyways, you're gonna first comb your hair out. Mine's a little nappy because I've been doing some stuff, and like I said, it's been in the clip. So I used to start from like the side, but then someone told me to start from the middle, and it works for me. So I just divide my hair in half like this, and I start from the middle. And I just, first off, I'm like sitting here trying to figure out how I'm supposed to see, and I have a mirror right in front of my face. Okay, so you just kind of wrap and pin. And you can put as many pins as you want, because you're gonna take them all out. Yes? What are you talking about? I'm doing something. Okay. Are you okay? Okay, you have to be careful. You gotta be careful. Grandma gave you cookies? Oh, that was so nice. Oh. Okay, you guys, kid break. Alright, you guys, low key, I didn't even look into the mirror or use my camera, so it's wrapped. Now you take the net. And just tie it down like you would tie down your scarf. If you have a lot of hair, count how many bobby pins you put in your hair, because sometimes I'll be like missing a bobby pin and then I wake up in the morning with one crimp. On my head, and I never count them, so I probably need to start. I just feel my head to make sure I'm not missing none. Wrap this little piece, and then if you need like an added layer of protection, because I'm gonna put a bonnet on, but a lot of times I put a scarf on and the bonnet, but I don't really care if this doesn't last. I just need this to last a week. So there we are. I'm looking like child. I don't even want to tell you what I'm looking like. Anyways, bye y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl.
Dip me underway, you can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my